Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Dell 16 driver. So first you have to come this site dell.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. After that click on support, then you can see the driver and download. Okay, just click on it. If you know about your service tag and serial number of your laptop, so you can enter here and then you can search. Otherwise not, you just enter the model number Dell 16 and which service tag are you using, and all service tag driver download installations process same. You just select it, scroll down so you can see some buffering, and after that you can see there are two options: check for update and select driver. So check for update for this automatically install which driver if your system required, so you can detect and software automatically detect and installed. And second one, this is manually installed if you are facing facing some issues of your speakers, chipset, your graphic driver and all, so you can install, select it separate and install. So select this, then you select the also operating system which is you using. Scroll down, click on the categorize. I show you how one by one all the driver. This is chipset, this is storage for SSD, video for the graphic, camera driver also there, chipset. So all driver are there. Scroll down, camera driver. So camera AI driver and click to download. Downloaded, then just click on it, then yes and continue. Camera AI effect driver installing. And then close it.